Hi, good morning, sir. I am Winsalema Barquez.
And I am Princess Kiana A. Kalasang.
And we are the HM student Block A. So we are here to discuss on CAM the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of the specific restaurant that we have conducted a survey or interview. And that's restaurant is named Katsila Grill House. So name of the store, so Katsila Grill House, and type of business, fast food or restaurant, location and address, so it is located in Leonor Rivera Street, Davao, Dapitan City. And the name of the owner is Mr. Miguel A. Carion. And also, sir, he knows you. So, and when did the business started? So, it started in April 13, 2021. So, how many staff they have in the restaurant? It's 10 people. So, now let's proceed to SWOT. So, upon analyzing their SWOT, we realized that they have their several strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So, let's begin to strengths. Katsila Grill House sets a key attributes that makes the fast food apart from the competitors. So, it means that Katsila Grill House is one of a unique fast food in Dapitan. It is because they make a good ambience and beautiful place. You can eat and vibe. So, the Katsila Grill House sets as Castilla or Kinatsila restaurant, and the restaurant provides a good quality and services for the customers. So they serve a good quality of foods and good service to every customers. They make sure that they accommodate them with good greetings upon arriving. So they receive positive feedbacks or reviews from the customers. So customers always give a nice review and comments to the place and to the foods. So Miss Kiana, for the weaknesses.
Now let's proceed to the weaknesses. The restaurant faced any issues related to the staff training. So this means that some of their staff, like the one who prepared orders and servers, are lack of expertise in services, which made them serve slow to the customers, and they received negative feedback and criticism.
So let's proceed to the opportunities. So possible that they will jump into partnerships or collaborations that could benefit their business. So as we ask the owner, there would be a possibilities that they would collab to the other business or have their franchise to the other place, franchise their branch. And he said that there is a possible that he will have partnerships with others, so that will benefit his business. So possible that they will expand their menu or introduce new dishes. So aside from the grilled chicken or the other menus, there is possible in expanding the menu or offer new dishes. So people will have a lot of choices of foods. So let's proceed to threats. So they are afraid of external factors such as regulatory changes. So the owner said that he is afraid. One of his threats is that he is afraid of the possible that his business will go down or will be bankrupt, and the new competitors entering the markets or existing competitors improving their offerings. So we can't avoid competitors and businesses. It's either you will fight for your business, or it's either you just sit down and do nothing. So that's one of his threat. But he said that he can handle it, and he will improve more their offerings. So, negative online reviews or social media criticism. So, the owner said that they also receive social media criticism or online reviews, bad online reviews from the customers because of slow service from the restaurant, and like when they order they receive it for almost 1 hour. One of the threats of the business. So let's proceed to conclusion.
And now, conclusion. It is evident that the restaurant has a notable strengths and a strong brand reputation. However, weaknesses on staff, lack of training, and receiving negative feedback can affect the business. Furthermore, the restaurant to have a possibility to accept partnerships and collaborations is a good opportunity for the sake of the business future growth. But the fear of external factors, new competitors, and negative review must be handled carefully. So this explains the restaurant appears to be in position to leverage its strength and growth opportunities while being mindful of addressing internal challenges and navigating external uncertainties with care. And now let's proceed to the recommendations. So we have 3 recommendations for the restaurant. First, conduct a training to the staff. So conducting a training to the staff is important to address negative feedback and enhance customer satisfaction. By implementing training sessions for staff can help improve their skills, communications, and service delivery. This addresses the weaknesses identified in negative feedback and aims to enhance overall customer satisfaction. So second, the business should be innovative if there was a new competitors. So this means by continuously innovating products, services, or processes, the business can maintain its competitive edge. And the third recommendation, customer feedback and market monitoring. So it is important to stay informed about customers' sentiments and market trends. By regularly collecting customer feedback and monitoring market trends is essential. By actively listening to customers and monitoring the broader market, the business can adapt its strategies, refine offerings, and stay ahead of evolving trends, contributing to sustained success.
So overall, this reflects a balanced approach focusing on internal enhancement, innovation for competitiveness, and attentiveness to external dynamics. This strategic outlook positions the restaurant to navigate challenges successfully while capitalizing on opportunities for sustained growth and success. So, that would be all, sir, and thank you. There's the documentation about proof that we conduct survey or interview to that specific restaurant. So, that would be all, sir. Thank you and God bless. And advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.